Gonna make a cooking vidja. It's rock butter steak. Use what seasonings you want, but this is what I prefer. Get a hot pan for that steak. Clean as you go. It's been on there about a minute right now. Perhaps we got a boil now. Per request, I'm cooking this a minute extra on each side because you guys are a bunch of girls. Anyhow, I eat. Getting ready to turn it down. Let's have some shrimp too. So that barbecue is done. So we're gonna make some wet seasoning for it. Right now we've got a few basic ingredients: Johnny seasoning salt, garlic salt, canola oil. And I'm gonna put some garlic in there. Ooh, fancy. Give that a quick stir in there. You'll throw some salt on there as well. Oh no, man. That's too done for me. You guys are the ones crying about it, though. Here's mine. Here's hers. A little surf and turf. Clean up after yourself.